So pulling into this place, I see this amazing front porch, and it just makes me want to sit on the porch and get to visit with you. But how about we go inside and take a look? I'll show you around. You're not going to believe this place. The cool thing about this house is this is the original footprint of a house that's been here forever. So this is the perfect homesteader's home. You've got a wood-burning fireplace over here, and check out this dream kitchen. I love this kitchen. You've got a cool new undermount microwave. You've got the propane 6-burner stove. You have an ice maker, and check out this refrigerator. It's not very often that you see 4 doors, freezer, refrigerator. This is the new style of drawers. You have these little cones in here. It holds your plates in place without being a mess. The windows on here is just amazing. You've got the 20-acre pasture out here, and you've got the raised vegetable garden on the back patio. You can see out here to the side to your chickens and the goats and the pigs. This is truly a homesteader's dream. Now, you know, when it comes to a laundry room, everybody always needs lots of storage, especially if it's a mudroom. And this is a laundry room / mudroom. Check all this storage here. And then you've got the washer and dryer. You've got plenty of stuff to fold your laundry. You've got a sink. You have a back door entrance going out to the patio and the garden area. Plus you have a small bath. Let's check out the upstairs. Real wood floors. Got a large hall bath. The master bedroom is amazing. It is very spacious. It is very well lit. It has a large walk-in closet. And check out this soaker tub with a rain shower. That's what you do after you've been working in the garden all day, pulling weeds, slopping the hogs. Hey, how about taking a walk through the barnyard? I know I still have my town boots on, but you know, real people have town boots and then they've got barn boots. And I just did not take the time to put on my barn boots, but let's have a tour. Let's see. Well, hello there. How are we doing today? Did you have a good little nap? Oh, he doesn't seem too friendly. Are you watching your little herd of chickens? I love this barn. They do not make old barns like this anymore. Just look at all those old mangers and feeders in there where they used to feed the calves. I've got myself an audience. I've got 2 goats and the chickens and the pig. So down here we have the hay barn and the pig pen.